Hi there, welcome to the ingredient channel where I share simple homemade Chinese recipes. In today's episode, I'm going to share an amazing dish, the spiced gizzard. I understand gizzards may not be a familiar ingredient to many of you. However, rich in protein, great for digestion with a high source of vitamins, gizzards are one of the healthiest portions of poultries. They can be cooked in various ways, such as frying and grilling. They are many Chinese people's favorite food as they are chewy and flavorful if cooked properly. For the ingredients, I picked turkey and duck gizzards, which are bigger than chicken gizzards, with more texture. Thoroughly wash the gizzards and remove any yellow hard layers. I'm going to slow cook the gizzards. Pressure cook works too. Add about 2 teaspoons 5 spices, 1 star anise, two bay leaves, 2 tablespoons cooking wine, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 3 dried red chili peppers, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons salt, 2 teaspoons dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons light soy sauce, about 1 teaspoon ginger root, 2.5 cups of boiling water, slow cook for 3 to 4 hours. Adjust the time if you are pressure cooking. Then we should be able to poke through the gizzards easily. Take out large pieces of spices. Move the gizzards into a pot. Add the sauce back in. You only need as much sauce as you can cover the gizzards. High heat boiling without cover to condense the sauce. This takes about 10 minutes. Stir in between to make sure the gizzards don't get burned. Once the sauce gets very thick, switch off the heat, take out the gizzards, and let them cool down. Then cut them into slices. Arrange them on top of some grains to make it more beautiful. Spray some cumin powder and red chili powder for taste. Then drizzle some of the condensed sauce on top. Time to enjoy. It is chewy and super flavorful, serves perfectly as an appetizer and excellent companion for dumplings. I heard duck gizzards are quite popular in France. Have you tried it before? Compared to this recipe, which one you like better? I look forward to reading your comments. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Please do like and share the episode to support my channel. If you are new, please also remember to subscribe for more exciting and easy to follow authentic Chinese recipes. Thanks and see you around.